I am exhausted. I am so tired. I have to be very gentle as to not destroy the structural integrity of the cake. This part is anxiety relieving. This is soothing. No, Declan, no. Hey, the top looks pretty fabulous. There's 6 sticks of butter in this cake. 6. How does that make you feel? Makes me feel a little concerned, but overall, pretty good. But that is a lot of butter. That's a little bit too much butter that I don't think, you know what I mean? 6 sticks of butter. Eek, that's a lot. Wait, I just realized it's not my birthday today, so I can't eat this until tomorrow. Oh, okay, well, I'm taking my time, which is something I have a hard time doing. When I'm like working on a craft of sorts, I tend to rush things a lot. I think that's why I messed up with the sugar today. It's kind of an arm workout randomly. It's very Pilates. Subtle but challenging movements. The cake is lopsided and it's looking more lopsided by the second. Not to the point where it's gonna like fall over, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm not. Okay, that looks great. I'm super happy. Yay! Do I put it back in the fridge for a second? I am allowing myself one cheat. I made everything from scratch except for decorating. I allowed myself to get pre-made little decorative little squeezy things that come with tips that you can screw on. Like, listen, am I proud of it? No. I don't know what I'm gonna say on it. I might just say happy birthday. I was thinking about saying something funny like happy birthday, I guess, or something, but it's like, what? I'm gonna do white piping around the bottom to start. See, it's nice, it's subtle. Okay, white piping's done. Looks kind of shit, to be honest. I need to write happy birthday. Ooh, this is scary. Ugh. Should I practice first? Yeah, I should. I'm gonna get a piece of paper. Oh my God, imagine if it fell off the table. I don't know what I would do. I don't think either of us wanna know what I'd do. Okay. This icing is kind of hard to work with. Or I'm just bad at this. All right, I'll just take it slow. I was like, let me get a piece of paper to practice, and then I practiced for 1 second and did a bad job, and now I'm like, let's just hit the cake. But I can always wipe it off, technically. Okay, happy birthday. Nothing complicated, but I am gonna try to do cursive, which I can barely do when I'm writing regular, so let's see. I'm not even kidding, everyone be quiet. Everyone be quiet while I do this. It's so good.
Oh,
yum.
That's like perfect.
That's a great cake. I love it. Okay, wait, now I want to bake more. Because I am happy about my result.
Can I have a nipple cookie?
Mm-hmm.
Are they actually nipples?